Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the broken fastener so you pick the correct easy-out size. This matters because a wrong size shreds threads. Once done, remove surface debris and apply penetrating oil, letting it soak 10-20 minutes to loosen corrosion. Next, make a centered pilot hole with a drill bit 1/8, 1/4 smaller than the extractor root. This gives the tool a grab point. Make sure to keep the drill perpendicular to the part to avoid enlarging the hole unevenly. You now seat the easy-out into the pilot hole by tapping it lightly with a hammer so its flutes bite the metal. Then attach a T-handle or wrench and apply steady, controlled counterclockwise torque. Avoid jerky motions because sudden force can fracture the extractor. If the extractor binds, stop and back off. Reapply penetrating oil and let it sit, or add moderate heat to the surrounding part to expand metal. Make sure to work slowly. Patience prevents breaking the tool inside the hole. You finish by removing the fastener and cleaning the hole. Run a chase tap if threads are damaged so new bolts seat properly. If the easy-out breaks, stop and assess. Center drill the broken piece concentrically and gradually drill out the core, then retap or install a helicoil insert. Once repaired, use replacement fasteners and torque to spec to avoid recurrence. One troubleshooting tip: if you hear cracking or feel abrupt give, stop immediately. Attempting more torque usually fractures extractors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.